Can you show it? Present us what this is? Okay. Overview, yeah. So basically, this is unmanned platform, and recently it has been back from Visayas region. Yeah. We, this platform is actually intended for mapping and mainly optical based mapping for marine life and coral reef monitoring.
Okay.
In fact, it's actually locally developed and it's also run from the same control that was also developed.
It has a lot, looks like it has a lot of functions to it.
Yes.
How many functions, features are on it?
Okay, so for the basic, remote at least supports mission planning and sensor augmentation. It has three cameras. It's designed for stereoscopic underwater, so it does photography. It has a working LiDAR for obstacle detection. And however, it's designed for operations for more than 8 to 12 hours.
How does it stay on top of the water? How does it not capsize or turn over?
Okay. This boat is primarily designed for mapping, so we are not operating nowhere higher than 60 feet. And we're mostly operating in shuttles as well.
So is it manned by a remote? Or
It's remote. It can be also made autonomous.
also what?
It has a remote. You can also man it as autonomous vessel.
Also manual?
Yeah, there's a remote for manual operation.
Where would you stand or sit?
No, it's an unmanned vessel. So basically,
Remote
it's
control.
command from a support.
Right, I asked for remote. He said yes, and then he said something else.
It's command from a support ship. A support ship.
Okay. And have you ever had it?
Capsized? So far none, because most of our operations are in common.
Close?
No way.
No, but we have
No,
occasionally.
Come on, we're talking about the ocean here.
Yes, but
That
we're
was my
usually
number.
we're usually in the littoral areas, coastal areas. So, and we only operate in fair weather because simply because it's hard to do mapping when you're bouncing up and down the waves. So we never operate in that.
I know, but you never can predict a wave.
Are those stabilizers? Those two, do they open up and no, the one is the back.
PVC, those are motors.
The blue,
The PVC.
the PVC.
Those,
Is that the
those
stabilizer?
are instrument mounts because during operations,
Ah,
those we unfold that. The
Unfold?
camera platforms are
oh,
mounted
okay.
there.
It's not a
Okay.
stabilizer to.
And what year did you found this?
No, this boat was constructed just last year.
All
However, we've been actually doing controllers since 2020.
Okay. Okay, so this is like a little beta experiment, and then
Yeah.
DTI likes this, or the DICT likes this. Who likes this?
Right now, it's environmental planners.
Okay.
We feel that for environmental,
But are you funded by the government?
we were looking to raise funds for that.
Looking.
Yeah.
You were looking, but you're not looking anymore.
We were still looking to raise funds, especially if they like it. Then, because this boat has got two return trips from Mindanao, Bohol, and Cebu.
Okay.
And if they like it so much, they might as well just do a procurement and have one contracted for production. So we can station it anywhere in the country.
How many features does it have? Let's call this drone a feature. The bonnet, the sensors are a feature. The engines are a feature. How many does it
That
have?
feature is based on its controller. So basically, this one's running on the older 560 controller with serials. So meaning you can actually have a serial.
Yeah, but
I asked that because
You have so many sensors.
yeah.
So many sensors.
So we have three cameras. We're also able for computer vision.
I asked that because I think to get funding, you might have to streamline it down a little bit.
So this
Take
thing,
out some features and then make sure it doesn't capsize.
That will be on our second operation. Because when this was constructed, we had a lot of constraints. One of the constraints is we were given the hall. So we were given the hall and we're not allowed to touch anything on the hall.
Have you seen that San Francisco company that has their drone? That drone that they made that goes across the oceans?
Yeah.
It's an orange drone. That can stand any weather. All right.
Because of the
This thing was built with the current constraints of what we were given. So
It just does a lot. I don't see too many constraints. I see a lot.
I know our constraint only is we're only doing mapping, so we're only operating in fair weather conditions.
Okay.
That's our
I know I keep
constraint.
stressing that.
Our second constraint is logistic-wise. We have a size limit, and everything you saw on top gets placed inside the hull, and the boat becomes its own box to be shipped to anywhere in the country. So that's a constraint for logistics.
Okay. And then connectivity. What wireless network are you using?
We're using LoRa and SIP. Though, because the boat is large, there's a potential for SATCOM or
Yeah.
other higher end communication.
It's just that I'm giving a 5G presentation tomorrow here.
Yeah.
And I would love to.
So tomorrow
highlight
will
your
be a speaker
product in my
pass.
presentation.
sorry.
Tomorrow's a speaker.
He's
No,
a 5G.
conference.
He's a 5G.
He's a speaker.
I'm surprised in the province, we operate in the Cebu region, we were still able to get at least 4G out in the open water. But up to a certain range,
On the water. All right. Well, really
or
nice
if
to
like
meet
that,
you,
we can
Clifford.
actually 5G. We can actually make boats that can serve as a relay station, like in emergency case, like being out in there in the water.
They already have it on the drones. Those size drones, they carry the base station
Yeah.
and they provide connectivity
So
for the first
basically,
size
they're
drone.
acting as relay nodes.
So is this QR code the same as that
Yes.
one? Great. So I'll be able to see this online?
Yes, I put links to our website and our social media.
All right. This is exciting. I'm going to circle back tomorrow and say hi again. Are you going to be here tomorrow, Clifford?
Yes.
Okay.
In fact, we just never mind about the Ghostbusters logo there because the boat pretty much looks like it's part of it.
Do you have a video of it in action in the field?
Oh yeah, we
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry on that.
Yeah, that's much
A lot
more
of
than- yeah,
questions.
that's good. So if they put the notebook here running the video, what
Yeah.
this machine can actually do. The stabilizer.